Hello everyone and welcome to my introduction to cybersecurity video series. So in this video series I plan to give you a brief 5-day introduction towards cybersecurity. It's going to be good enough in order for you to understand the space a bit. It's going to give you some tools that you need to learn and basically grow on. So it's not going to be a 5-day series that I'm going to actually give you 5 days of videos, because that will take you at least a week to watch. I'm going to give you a 5 days approach to the cybersecurity space, meaning each day I'm going to cover what are the things that you should be doing, what are the resources that you should have available, and how can you move forward with actually learning cybersecurity from scratch. And the main benefit of this series is it's going to be enough information for you to get started. It's going to cover all the topics that you need in order to get your feet wet, but it's also going to give you a few pivot points where you'll need to understand that this is where you can do something with this knowledge. So, for example, if I cover this 5 topics, when we're beginning with an overview and I will explain to you a bit about the space, the concept of terminology, you'll learn a bit about the space and if it's interesting for you or something that you want to pursue. Afterwards, we'll go over some basics. And as soon as you have enough basic information on your hand, we're going to go directly to hands-on experience. There's no better way to learn cybersecurity than actually experiencing it. And thankfully, because technology is so advanced today, you're able to simulate and basically do anything from the comfort of your laptop. You don't really need to invest a lot of time and money, and you're going to be able to do anything that you need from a standard laptop in order to learn. Afterwards, we'll cover advanced topics, and then we'll cover real world experience topics that are sometimes related to how will you find a job in the field? What are the things that you need to know or be aware of in order to find a job? And all of those things we'll cover into a 5 day series. This is what I would consider a crash course that you will recommend to yourself. These are the things that you need to do for 5 days in order to get the basics of cybersecurity. So that's it for me, and I'm excited to this first video, and let's get started with this video series. I'll see you in the next video with the overview of cybersecurity.